Hi friends, we are here to discuss about wholesome integrated medical and healing strategy for any disease. No, it is important that we approach it in a wholesome way, and integrate it with other forms of medicine as well, like diet, naturopathy, oxygen therapy, stem cell, along with the medicines, supplements, nutrition, detoxing, functional medicine, blending the functional medicine with all these other aspects like nutrition, supplements, detox, stem cells, and mind body practices for long term health. That is what we at Dr. Sashi's Wellness and Regenerative Center, we approach it in this way. And we are going to be talking how we do that. Wholesome healing, the protocol is by approaching it in a very different way. So the what if we looked at the root cause of a disease and not just the symptom? That is the main thing. When a lot of medicines, it is not thought that way. So what if we healed the gut mainly, supported the brain, and empowered the immune cells, immunity? So all this together, when done, we can be in the wellness level before problems start attacking us. We have an immune system so that that doesn't penetrate us. Welcome to the healing strategy of Dr. Sashi Wellness Center, where science meets holistic wellness. So the philosophy is to treat the whole person and not just the disease. And here we approach in a very different way. We approach is not disease focused, it is individual focused, taking into account diet and gut health, nutrition deficiencies, toxins, whatever is there, and inflammation is taken care of. The genetics and epigenetics are also studied. Emotional and stress factors also taken into account. And how this medicine, functional medicine model occurs is, the disease is there. Why is it there in the first place? First, we analyze that, find the cause, heal the system. That's the most important thing. The protocol is 6-pillar healing strategy: personalized diet and nutrition. That's anti-inflammatory food plans, gluten or dietary and sugar elimination from the diet. Based on gut testing, we do that. Ayurveda and other alternate forms of medicine inspired by the food compatibility. Focus on microbiome healing, the gut microbiome healing. Targeted supplementation like high quality nutraceuticals, methylation, mitochondrial support, oxygen therapy, omega-3 fatty acids, zinc, magnesium, B complex, IV therapies for vitamin C, glutathione when needed, detoxification pathways like heavy metal and toxins cleared with a lot of natural therapies, liver support with herbal and amniotic fluid detox, infrared sauna, binders like chlorella and zeolite, gut cleansing and repair, stem cell therapy and regenerative therapy, mesenchymal stem cells for chronic disease, PRP for local inflammation, used with lifestyle changes to support regeneration. So it's applied for arthritis, diabetic complications, autoimmune problems, neurodegenerative problems, genetic conditions, so on and so forth. So this mind-body integration is also a very important aspect, and we here have a Third Eye Yoga Center, and yoga, pranayama, heart coherence is taken into account. Counseling and emotional freedom techniques, EFT it is called, that is also done. Sleep optimization and circadian rhythm reset is also done. So ongoing tracking and testing is already also done. Regular follow-ups, functional blood works are done, hormones are tested, telomere length and gut microbiome testing. Telomere length is very important because the telomere only suggests how strong our DNA is and how our longevity is going to be, how our future is going to be, is based on the telomere. So we study the telomere. They are the end caps of the DNA, like our shoestring, which has got a cap at the end, similarly. So we assess the length of the telomere and ensure, if it is on the smaller side, we improve all these supplementation and other therapies. So common conditions which are treated successfully are autoimmune conditions, thyroid, rheumatoid arthritis, gut disorders like inflammatory bowel disease, leaky gut, ulcerative colitis, brain fog. Mainly it occurs in children or people who are on cell phones for a longer time. Brain fog happens. Fatigue and burnout, diabetes, PCOD, obesity, chronic pain, fibromyalgia, early stage Parkinson's, dementia support are some of the conditions. Children with autism spectrum disorders improve very well with gut-brain protocol. So some of the testimonials will follow. Why it works? It's backed by science. This is not guesswork. It's systems, biology, supported by decades of research. So, Journal of Inflammation Research says gut healing reduces autoimmunity. Stem cell function, Nature Medicine journal support said that mesenchymal stem cells support tissue repair. And this is come in the journal Clinical Nutrition 2024. Personalized diets reduce inflammation and their inflammatory markers in just about 4 weeks' time. So takeaways for doctors and patients are: this model requires collaboration between doctors, patient. It's not a pill for an ill. It's about changing the terrain where illness thrives and turning point into fertile soil for health. So to conclude, if you believe healing is more than just tablets, if you want to find the cause, not just treat the symptoms, follow the pioneers. Join us at H2O Sasi and look for more integrative, personalized, futuristic healing at this place, H2O Sasi, Sasi Eye Care. Thank you.